Hello, hello. Welcome to Sew with Ariza. These are the last copies of my customized scrubs for sale. Last copies. Run as fast as you can to take yours at affordable prices. Customized, I say. Look at them. Colorful, customized. Scrubs, trousers with rubber band, tops to your taste, to your choice. Very many, to your taste, to your choice. All of the rubber band trousers, to your taste, for your choice, to your taste. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Very many. What else? Rubber band with robes. What else do you desire? What else do you want? Look at that. Customized, customized. Run, come as the offer lasts. Thank you for being there. What color do you want? How combined do you want them to be? Customized, all rubber band trousers. Customized, customized, customized. Affordable prices. Customized, customized. Rubber band with robes. Customized, customized. Customized, 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 customized. Same rubber band with slits at the bottom leg of the trouser. Slits. This is what I mean with slits at the bottom leg of the trousers. What do you want? Look at that. Yes, I wish I'm not off duty to wear some for you and model them. Look at that, look at that. Look at the back, customized, customized. Many colors, what do you want? Rubber band, same. Slits at the bottom leg of the trousers. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the back, customized. Are you seeing it? I'm waiting for you. Come and make your choice very more. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Sew with Ariza. As always, I sew things in different ways. Nice, affordable, come. For sale, for sale, for sale at affordable prices. I make good things.